guys, welcome back to my channel. So those of you who are new here, this is the Jolly Vrishti aka Beam Meow. That's my Instagram handle. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do follow me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. It will mean a lot to me. So this is the makeup look we are trying to do today. This is my everyday makeup look, my go-to makeup look when I have to go out or for my college and stuff. So this is the look we are trying to do today. So I hope you enjoy it. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, let's get started. So I have secured my hair and we'll start first with the moisturizer. I use the Pond's Light Moisturizer. So first, and then I like to warm it up a bit and then apply it all over my face. I wait for it to get absorbed in my skin, so I give it a 5 minutes break या ऐसा कुछ. Let it absorb it inside and keep massaging it. So till the time it gets absorbed, I'll do my eyebrows. I don't need it actually, but I do it and say hi to my new pimple. So I'll be using the Miss Claire eyebrow cake. It's in the powder form. First, I'll bow my hair with this pulley, and then I'll be using these two shades. Only a bit, because obviously it's my everyday makeup routine, and कभी-कभी late हो जाता है, so टाइम नहीं होता इतना करने का. I'm doing it so slow because I have time right now and I have nothing to do. So yes, I'm done with my eyebrows. तो अब तक eyebrows कुछ भी तो अब तक moisturizer has soaked in. So let's start with the base. So for the base, I'll be applying my Maybelline One Day Perfect Dual Protection Lasting Base. It is SPF 18. So this is kind of like a primer plus moisturizer. So even though I apply the moisturizer, I like to apply the this one again. Only a bit of it, not more. So now I'll be applying my concealer, the Maybelline New York in the shade 25 Medium Moyen. Not more, just to cover up my under eye and some pimples if I have. And bridge up my nose. Something here. This is the area where I have brackets here. Then with my beauty blender, I just blend it down. Pimple. Yeah. So now that's done. I'm done with concealing my face. I either use this or only this in my everyday makeup routine. So today I have time है तो ये दोनों mix करूँगी मैं. So just take a bit of it, not more. Itna is enough. If you can see, this much is enough. And then this one. वो भी बहुत थोड़ा, nothing more, not more. See how much I've used. There's the camera. Okay, so this much only, and then we'll mix both of them. It smells so good. The thing about this BB cream is it smells so good. The smell बहुत सही है इसका. Okay, so now I'll start applying it. It is so smooth, the BB cream, the Spins BB cream, and it is totally affordable. People, forget on that. Please don't forget on that. And before you start commenting, I am not a professional makeup artist. I have learned and I'm still learning, so please don't judge me. And this is the makeup routine which works for me on my daily basis. It is not necessary that it might work for you. So I am showing you this for only the products and the steps I'm using. You can use your different products according to your comfortability, what suits your skin. So yeah, I'm done with my base. So the next thing we'll be doing is the eyes. So I'll be using this Oriflame, the one kajal for my eyes. I am more of a liner person, not more of the kajal person, but still when I'm late or I have to do things fatafat se, I'll apply my kajal. Don't forget to apply the kajal on the upper side. It makes a lot of difference actually, big difference. See? Then I like to use this Maybelline Colossal Volume Express mascara. You know, the thing is, मेरा सब कुछ खत्म लॉकडाउन में ही हुआ है. Entire makeup has got over in lockdown only. I am really very scared of applying the mascara on the down lashes and the under lashes because हमेशा it gets applied ऐसा नीचे. So I'm done with my eyelashes. The highlighter, how can somebody forget the highlighter? So I use this. I like to take the upper shade. Just love it. You see that? It's so beautiful. Highlighter and blush are to my go-to thing. If I don't apply anything now, I'll apply my compact, my blush and my highlighter. And the last thing you need is the lipstick, obviously. So usually I don't apply my lip liner, but time hota hai to pakka I apply it. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible lip liner in the shade Mauve. And sometimes I also fill in my lips with this. So after applying this, so this is what I'm applying. Can you see it is so nude? मतलब लगाया भी है नहीं भी लगाया, it is like that. So this is my final look. Do comment down below, did you like it or not? And I'm saying it once again, I'm not a professional makeup artist. This is the way I am comfortable to do my makeup, and this is my everyday makeup routine, go-to makeup whenever I'm late for my college or anything, if I have to even go out just for some errands to do. And so this is the makeup I do. And the products which I am using are it's not necessary that you use the same products. Please use the products which you are comfortable with, and it is not a sponsored video. So thank you so much for watching my video, and if you did like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram, that is @beingmeow99. So bye.